Everybody's selling the exact same thing. But I'm going up here. It's going to be cool. Okay, let's go. Let's see what all the hype is. I honestly expected the water to be going the other direction for some reason. This is a really cool bridge. A really, really old bridge. Let's walk right down the middle. Oh, it's wood. Short though. Couple of puppies. A lot of people. Oh, the ladies are smoking. That's too bad. This bridge is a tourist trap. It is cool. The construction, the architecture part of it, really cool. The rest of it, not so sure. Restaurants down here. Let's go look upstream. Very nice. Very busy. Probably looks nice lit up. It's all lights. Hopefully we're gonna see it with the lights on. I'd like to see somebody buy one of these to see what it is. There's no pictures.
Okay. Let's go.
Just a few Panda souvenirs around here. Just a few. Oh, we got a river over here. And a fruit vendor. Restaurant's getting busy. More down there. Whatever this is popular. Oh, beautiful flower. Some kind of pancake. Smell a lot of vinegar. They look good. Hello. Now that is an old way of weighing something, isn't it? It's like a green plum. Is it? That scale is amazing. No thank you, no thank you, no thank you, no thank you. Jasmine tea. Quail eggs inside of a salt dome. That's different. And they made the dome look like a panda's head, of course. Free samples. Oh, no thank you, no thank you. We got live music down here. Let's go see what this lady is selling. Hot dogs. Hello. Hi. Oh, the chicken looks lovely. Tornado potato shrimp. I think some kind of fish cake. Little fish, French fries, chicken strips. Looks good. Looks really good, especially the chicken wings.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you, thank you. Maybe later, okay? Some kind of ribs on a stick. Small animal. Maybe goat or sheep or something like that. Little dog. I think we're coming to the end. I hear a drum. This is not the end, this is just the intersection. But I think we'll end it here. Interesting place. I'll come back if the bridge lights up. The giant's turtle. It looks good. It looks like a very small aquarium. There's a moray eel over there in the corner. Hopefully he has more space somewhere else, but like I said, he looks good. Absolutely flawless. The kids are loving it. That's just cool. A few random fish. Maybe this is bigger than it looks, but it doesn't look very big. You look sad, dude. You look really, really sad. Oh, cute little girl. Oh, popcorn. Wow. The dog looks like a coyote. Why is it so clean? There's one reason. There's another reason. And there's been at least 2 ladies went through with broom. The famous covered bridge. Busy place. The river is just ripping. A lot of people have dogs. Right where it all started. Unfortunately, I had to leave and the lights are not on yet. It gets dark way too late. A lot of bubbles here now. The guy fooled me. He didn't know he was fooling me. I thought it was a baby panda. And then I saw his tail. It's a puppy too, huh? He's just a puppy. He's got a lot of brown on him. That was suspicious. He smelled my finger like a dog. He is insanely cute. I wonder how big he gets. He's a big puppy, you can see. His belly is still naked, right? He's a puppy. Poor little guy. That's gotta be a huge dog. He might be as big as the... Oh! 2 golden retrievers and a German Shepherd. I think this little girl is in love with the puppy. Boy, he looks like a panda. Even the other vendors are coming to see him. Another golden retriever. So the problem with his tail